Limang
yun
ano,
yung
limang powder, bigay.
yun yung mechanics ng laro.
Kailangan
Pag nalor nyo yung ano,
animal.
yung big boss, doon sa bilog, tapos na yung game.
Tapos na yung game.
Ayun na yun.
Wala yun.
Tapos na.
Ang ina yung pala yun, dol.
Oh, I know.
Hindi ko alam.
MVP, oh.
Reward.
Kasi,
MVP. Sino MVP?
1,001 or higher.
ano reward?
Ay, sarap ng bigay. Oh,
Uy, 101 or higher. Rocky.
Pwede na din to.
Uy,
Hirap ng 1K po eh.
Hirap mo ano.
25. Ayop.
Kailangan pala dalhin.
Legendary Norcel.
Oh, pwede na to, pwede na.
Okay na, tapos na.
Hindi na mga kalaban natin. Hindi rin alam ng mga ano dun, no? Alay
Ayun
natin.
ba ulit to?
Susunod.
Hindi, meron
Going
pang
pa
isa.
sila. No? Dapat pwede manood, no?
Ngayon?
Ayun, tapos na din yung kaya
30 minutes ata. Wait lang.
11 minutes. Ay, match
Okay.
end yun eh.
Ano na natin? Kamay na
Bukas
natin.
pa ata, bukas. Oh, pero at least alam na natin.
Meron pa alas G's.
Hindi, meron pa ata yan.
Week 1.
So hindi kami
Saturday
makakapalas mamaya.
22.
So, ang ano dito, Moy, dapat madaming party para like hati-hati kung asang ano, isang
Ayun,
out
ano.
kunin.
Wait lang.
Isang out
Pwede
kunin.
bang pumasok na?
May laban pa ata mamaya, isa pa.
Mamaya,
Oo,
Len.
alas G's.
10.
Iba matatapos ngayon to?
Yan nga, 10.
Hindi.
Sino kalaban natin
3
mamaya?
weeks sila sa ani.
Sila Soning. Hindi pa rin sila tapos dun.
Hindi dapat hindi muna kami umuwi ng server.
Ewan ko.
Tapos lang.
Yun lang. Yun lang, uwian na. Sila Sunny yung susunod naming kalaban, sila Sunny. Eto, sila Sunny. Ayan, sila Sunny yung susunod na kalaban dito. Okay. So, ito na yung nakuha ko. And you are number 24. Tangay na 25 points lang, no? Kailangan mo talaga magpatoke ng marami. May laban pa kami mamaya. May laban pa. May laban pa mamaya. 10 PM. War, clan match. Oh, ayan oh. May Saturday. Week to Saturday. Next week. Oh, next week to. May ano pa laban pa mamaya. Open the box, patingin lang. Yung ano, yung nakuha. Ang maganda kasi dito, yung ito, yung price niya. Grabe. Grabe, boy. Sarap naman nun. Ang ganda nung ano, rewards. Uy! Lahat pala. Eh di 4 na North Soul kaagad yun. Gogi, ang ganda nga. Solid yung bigay niya. Okay. Okay, at least alam natin mamaya ulit. May laban pa mamaya. Alas 10. Mag-ano muna tayo, TOBD muna tayo. May match para mamayang 10 PM. Waril sa akin. May tumira sa akin. Makakaipon ka ng $100. Oo, gagi. Sabihin mo kung ano to, kung ilan to. 'Di ba 4 na epic. Mamaya ulit, 4 ulit. Pag nanalo ka, 8 na kagad yun. Gagi, ang bilis. Ang bilis nga. Pwede na sa pitik to no? Joke lang. Ba't niya ako tinitignan? Gago, papatay na tao, gagangbangin na tao ng mga to. Ito yung kalaban namin, di ba? 64? Kanina. Ito yung kalaban namin kanina eh. Yabi kayo, sino pumasok? Kala ko si... Naku, yari ka na. Ayun, putang ina mo. Naka peaceful pa yan kanina. Mamaya may laban pa 10 PM. Isa pa. May makukuha pa tayo mamaya. Paano kaya yun, world boss? Ba yun? Uy, si Ares, gago. Tawag ng kuya. Si Ares yun? Naka-ano ko? Si Ares. 430k yata. Okay lang. May ginagawa din ako. Hindi, may ayos ako. tinitingnan ako kasi sa USDT. Angat nga muna tayo doon. Ngayon, may kuya sila eh, nagtumbong eh. Paano kaya pag nasira yung golem, mag-respond pa kaya yun? No? Nasa Domi Mabuche, pwede pasilip. Nasa Domi yata. Lahat naman nasa Domi. Pero wala kasi, mamaya ulit eh. Pagka ano. Ano ba yun? Hindi. Hindi ko kabisado yung pangalan ni ano eh. Hindi ko kabisado yung pangalan ni Butcher eh. Chine-check muna ako guys. Wait lang. Ano ba yung ano na ito? Ano ba yung history na ito?
I'll do the work, yeah, do it till it hurts. I'll invest in my future, I'll invest in the purse. I wanna be so rich, life changes, and I don't ever think about how much I just pay it.
Uy,
It's the dream, the American dream. Live on
huwag ka lang makulit.
everything, but there's balance, cause this life is a
Inukulit ako ni Ares, walang kalaro. Hindi naman kami machi. Anong date kaya yun? 9/02? $168.
Yeah, I've done that. 10 long years of breaking my back, but now I'm up here, never looking back. I got more dreams that I wanna go attack. Keep on going, keep on moving, never give up. I'll keep going, I can prove just what I'm made of. I got that fire in me, got that desire in me. I'm never tired, I'll be pushing till I'm finally free. I was made to break away from
Kung makita yung sinid, ano, Bidons.
this world wasn't made for the weak, they don't last. Survival of the fittest, so be vicious and attack. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I'll work.
Wait lang doon saglit lang. Kasali ba kayo sa Clan War? Oh, meron pa kaming Clan War. Alas 10. Teka lang, inahabol ako na ito ni Aris eh. Ako yung nilalaro, hindi naman kami matchy. Sinong naka-live ng Clan War? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi pa tapos to oh. Excommunicado, tsaka ano. Hindi pa tapos oh, yung kalaban namin. Anong oras pa yun? Ayun na, tapos na. Tapos na ata. Panalo nga. Panalo sila Sani. Maganda yung laban mamaya. Sila Sani kalaban. Sila Sani yan. Sila Sani yung kalaban mamaya sa Clan War. Gago. Look, bilis mo naman umakyat. Ang bilis naman umakyat na itong ano na to. Bilis mo naman umakyat, dol. Ang kulit naman na ito ni Aris. Teka ka, mag-AFK nga muna ako saglit. Palita ko, tetrash lockdown nun si ano, sinong hatod. Tawis, gago. Ilalam sa panto. Fake power daw. Fake power. Bebe mo ba yun? Yari ka panto, hinahanap ka na ni Aris. Gago kasi si Panto, ang lakas ng trash talk eh. Can't stop what you don't see coming. Yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't trust me? I do what I do, cause it Same PS ba parang Vault? Hindi. Kung ano yung PS mo, ganun pa din. Sa Clan War.
I work my ass off, so I'll be some. You either pick yourself up, or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now?
Buti wala sa bracket nyo sila Blanc. Sa bracket namin? Magkakaharap pa din naman yan eh. Kasi after dito, next week, may laban na naman. Pero kasi uuwi na yung mga kuya namin. Baka hindi nila tapusin. Baka hindi nila tapusin yung Clan War. Yung Clan War na, tama. Yung second week. Uuwi na kasi sila ng Asia 2. So kami, hindi ko pa namin alam ni Phantom kung uuwi kami ng Asia 1 kasi wala naman masyadong bakbakan yan eh. Dami kasi nito, boy.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I
Paano ba yung ano na ito? History ng... Nagko-Qcoin ba kayo, guys? Hindi ko makita yung history ng Qcoin ko eh.
shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Hindi ko makita.
Fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Yung voting sana idol pa din. Hindi ko alam yung voting eh. Hindi ako nakapag-vote. Saan ba yun? Hindi ko ba nakita yung voting? Paano ba magboboto? Wala na ata. Hindi na ata pwede. Hindi rin ako nakapag-vote. Di ko din alam kung paano. Sa website ba? Tingnan ko nga. Paano? Sa forums? Ay, kailangan pa mag-forum. Wala tao ako din sa forums. So, teka lang, check to. I-check natin. Okay lang. Labas daw tayo, B.
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Love. Bakit? Lagot siya. Lada, okay na.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs
Click mo lang yung question mark sa in-game. Ito.
I'm still learning, I'm still searching.
Tapos, saan tayo mag-ano dito? Saan tayo mag-boboto?
Be popping off and hit your ass,
Butang
dropping
lang
all
yan.
shit.
Saan mo botohan nito?
I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence. I got this, I will not quit, and I'm on it.
Saan mo boto?
Launch quick, and I'm gone. It's just a matter of
Nasa website na ako ng Mirror, guys.
being under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5.
Hindi siya makita.
They watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life. It's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just
Ayun, tama na, pwede pala ibigay yung link eh. Yun naman pala, boss. Clan match update, growth plan, clan match here. O nga, no? Paano to?
yeah, I'm the one that
Who will be the winner?
I swear to God I'll get it, bro.
Asia 2.
Hey, I ain't never
Ay, hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Hindi na pwede bumoto. Hindi na pwede. Tangin, hindi ko alam to. Ang ina, oo nga pala. World boss na. Paano yan? May world boss pa tayo ah. Ganyan talaga Lord sa una. But OWI Asia 1, di pa tapos eh. Hindi pa na ano lahat eh.
like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone, and you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chosen.
World boss muna, world boss.
Wanna know what you think of them lately? Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All the social media has
Di ako nakaboto, sayang. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung ano, yung boto.
everyone's in
Di ko alam anong reward nito.
I really hate it, God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life.
World boss daw muna tayo bago tayo mag-clan match.
Real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5. Taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
Mag-world boss daw muna tayo.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens. Factions take actions. Drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status. Facing the madness. I'm not
Paano bumoto? Hindi na ata pwede kasi nag-start na. Siguro yung second week ata pwede.
adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I'm fucking
Okay? Mag-world boss daw muna tayo guys. Tayo ay habang naghihintay tayo ng world boss, scatter muna tayo sa Windsor. Nabitin ako eh. Nabitin tayo, di pa tayo nakapaldo eh. Yan, mag-Windsor muna tayo ulit guys. Habang waiting tayo sa world boss, 5 minutes pa naman. Tapos clan war ulit ng 10:05. 10:05 bata. May laban ulit. Sila Sunny ang kalaban namin. Okay, scatter muna tayo guys.
Let's go. Time to grind. Get inside your mind. Yeah, we working overtime. That's the only way to climb. We gon' make it in our prime. Signing on the dotted line. Cashing checks left and right. That's the way I'm living life. I feel alive when I got a goal in sight. Chip away, I gotta fight. Ain't nobody else in sight. Man, I think I see the light. Yeah, that shit is so bright. Follow me, I got the guide. See you on the other side, son. Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top. Yeah. No, I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top. Yeah. So get out my way. I'm a vet, cause I work with every breath. Man, I love the taste of sweat. I won't have any regrets.
Wait lang.
They get upset when they trying just to rest. And I'm still right at my desk. Make them all feel so pressed. Yeah, but that's the test. If you wanna be the best, it ain't easy, it's a mess. If you wanna have success, you keep going like possessed. Drive it deep into your chest. Every failure is a test. Learn the most, leave the rest. Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top. No, I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till
Swap yata ako dun.
So get out my way. I'm here to stay. You can try another day, yeah. 'Cause I love the taste of winning the race. Gold medal, first place, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chilling.
Wala tayo nakuha. Istiyawa naman, oh. Scatter natin, di na pumaldo, B.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know my rat, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Which is how you
Okay? Iskatir. Iskatir. Iskatir.
Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes. I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face just to make it go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And then you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
Gago, walang binibigay.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Ay, gago. Sorry. Sorry.
Fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Choking's overdue. Come at me and you
Magka-clan match pa kami. Kailangan natin mabilis. Kailangan natin mabilis, guys. May clan war pa. Round 2. Kailangan mabilis tayo, guys. Mag-loot. Uy, Paldo. Uy, Paldo. Let's go. Ito pa. Wala. No contest. No contest ba raw? Late to, di ba? Uy, walang magmumukbang, dos. Walang magmumukbang. Uy, walang magmumukbang sa pamilyang to. Ay, binibigyan, B. Okay na ata, world 2 na. World 2 na.
girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look.
Gago, tapos na sila sa ano? Tapos na sila sa world 2.
I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me.
Oh, 10:05 ata yan. 10:05 ata mag-start yung clan match. Clan match.
Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me
Let's
feeling
go. Looting team.
I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway.
Looting team.
So I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause you're frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Beyond you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you with your
Okay na. Pwede na ata tayo bumalik. Clan War na, Clan War, Clan War. Clan War na, Clan War. It's time. Turbo na natin to kasi papasok na kami. Hindi pa rin nag-i-scatter. Pistiyawa talaga to.
everything you do. I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling
Madaling-madali.
touching on your body.
Madaling-madali.
You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
Ay, gago pa naman ulit.
Everything you do, I can't seem to
Ayan, enter match na tayo.
got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling.
Enter match na, guys. Party to. Ano yan? Ano yung big win ko? 200? 6K.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all
Ano ba yun?
don't really know. Yeah, I ain't
PT ano to eh?
same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking
PT ano ba to?
yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know.
Oo nga, PT to. Okay guys, tayo ay magka-clan war ulit. Mamaya na tayo ulit mag-scatter. Ulit guys. Round 2 ng clan war.
I keep dropping all these hits and I know that they watching, they keep showing up in my
Oh, bumaba ka.
bitch. I've been standing right here.
Sa POV na sa taas ako.
Got here, man, get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Got the premiere, I can take a boy's name and smear or take it up.
Saan party to?
Dami. Lipat ko sa'yo yung ano.
Okay, yan.
These guys, man. What a
10 seconds ah.
Sunny boy.
Hanapin niya sa niya agad.
Doon ako sa dulo po, unang pupunta pre ha.
Find
Sunny, sa kabila.
Fine, Johnny. Let's go.
Dito tayo sa kabila. Ayun o. Ay, hindi pa ata na-occupy lahat.
Alis
So,
na
kailangan-
kayo! Alis na kayo!
Go to 3.
May nag-clock pa, oh. May nag-clock pa, oh.
Okay, someone help me on 3.
Okay, 3 daw.
Gago!
Trabas mo eh.
Jump! Putang ina mo, nauntog!
Sani papunta sa to, si Sani papunta sa to.
Uy,
Bossel, nasa atin si Sunny. Parang na trash talk na ngayon.
Occupying.
Na to, pistiyawa naman. Pwede na ata yan. Alam, may nasa taas na. Ang bilis nyo naman, B.
Oh, yung makyat.
Kaya
Pangat mo
na.
nun.
Hey, C3 lang, oh. O, ano? Gusto mo?
Ay, dito si Sunny sa akin.
Bilis mo ah.
Ayaw mo, di wag.
Sa may 6 si Sunny, sa may 6 si Sunny mo eh.
100 points. Sa may 6.
Wala, pinatay
Papunta
ang
lang.
DDS.
Win long.
Lang doon.
Sige.
Shot girl na yan.
Babae ba yan? Yun ang babae yun eh.
Sani. Okay, dead. Hindi tumagal.
Go trash ko.
Saan si Sunny?
Nasa 3. Dead na?
Cutie.
is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Ala, nalampas.
Wala pa tayong points, boy. Dito pwede.
Nalampas.
Yung scatter mo, legit ba yan? Paano yan? Oh, Winzir yun. Winzir.ph. Nasa pin comment. Yun. Yak.
So if I play dead, will you regret?
Oh, occupied.
Asan yung ano kalaban, boy?
We need
Wala
to
pa
win
tayo.
for that 12 minutes that we lured
Yeah.
out Toast. That 12 minutes is in the right side.
Oo, para mabilis tayo matapos.
Oh,
Ganun, hindi ako nagka-points. Nag-ano naman ako. Nag-capture.
Tingin ako nga din. Oo nga, no.
So, sino ata mo na ba, Sel? Mag-ano dyan, capture? Ay, ikaw ba? Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Hindi po.
Tumakbo.
Ano papatay ka?
Papatay naman kayo, guys.
Hindi malabas pa sa kanila.
Kaya,
Ba't may
saan ba
point
niya?
kayo?
Tapos ba't sa baba? May pula.
Sa capture ko lang nakuha sa akin eh.
Si Kimball, si Kimball.
Ron.
Okay.
Ay!
Ina mo.
Paalam.
Matay.
Ay!
Lul.
Umakyat. Wala pa akong points, gagi. Di mapindot yun nasa ano.
Nag-iikot din si Walter. Tara, boss. Abangan na natin doon sa entrance.
Wala.
where is Sunny?
Check mo, tingnan natin baka AFK na.
Hindi na lalabas yun.
Boom, patay.
Ayun, nasa taas pala.